Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got a box of Happy Meal. My my friend Claire, she has been on the Knitting Network again and she sent me a message saying there's a parcel on the way. So I'm going to open up this box and Muttley is already down there with his ball in his mouth waiting on the box. You can't have this box, not this one. So it's a case of, right, we'll open the box and let's see what Claire has sent this time. Look, oh my goodness, look at the colours in that. Oh my goodness, you are kidding. Oh, oh, that is so pretty. Now what she said to me was that she was sending me some wool because it reminded her so much of her Scottish friend. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. It's Wendy Aurora. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Now there's no colour on it. It said it's a shade 5104. Oh, that is beautiful. These are beautiful. Oh, wait a wee minute. Maybe that's the colour thing. That's that one. This one is called Polar. Polar. I'll put that to the side. She got 6 of those. So soft. It's 100 grams. Tells you to use a 4mm knitting needle or a crochet hook. You have to don't iron it in a cool tumble dry. 100% acrylic, but it's so soft. Look at that. That one's called Polar. It's beautiful. You're right. You really are. You're right with it looking like the sort of tartan and plaid and the colours of all the heathers and the mountains in the sort of autumn. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And it's so soft. It's a double knitting. My gosh. There's 6 of them. My goodness. My goodness, Claire, you're just too generous. You really are. I was on the Knitting Network website and she just said, I found something that just reminds me so much of you, so I'm sending it to you. That's absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, my sister June will be so jealous of this. Oh, I might make her something. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. It's amazing and it's so soft. It's called Wendy Aurora, if anyone's looking for this. And I'm sure the Knitting Network ship abroad as well. Now this one, oh my goodness, so soft. Where's the number? The number on this one is 5106. 51. This one is called Ionosphere. Ionosphere. It's beautiful. Look at the colours in that. It's all beautiful mustards and blues and reds, greens. It's almost like a tartan. It's almost like, look at that one. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. This one is 5102 for the shade, and this one is Galactic. Galactic. That is so pretty. Is that right? Yeah, that one's called Galactic. Look at those colours. Look at those together. That is a Claire. My goodness. My goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. There's all that one, two, three, four. There's 6 of each of them. Oh my. I just don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say. My head is just, my brain's just thinking of all these things to make. It's beautiful. I'm going to try and make myself a crochet cardigan. It's going to be really pretty in that. That's so pretty. Can't believe it. I'm totally gobsmacked. I really am. I really am. It's beautiful. beautiful. Look at that one. Look at the colours in there. It's like tweeds and plaids. Oh, it's pretty. It's so soft as well, everyone. It's really soft. Claire, I don't know what to say. Every time you send me a box, I get lost for words. I just don't know how to thank you enough. It's beautiful. It really is. To get making something with that. Put it on my list. My list's growing longer than Santa Claus's, so it's beautiful. Thank you so much, Claire. Claire Sarsfield it is that sends a lot of the yarn to me. She's either doing these sashes or she's buying herself yarn, and then she's just so kind, and she just gets extra and posts it to me from the company. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. I just don't know how to thank you. I really don't. I don't know how to thank you. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. Claire, this is beautiful. It's breathtaking. It really is. And that blue one is absolutely amazing as well. Look at that. It's absolutely amazing. Can't believe it. And this is from the Knitting Network. If anyone wants to know where this is from, it's from a company called the Knitting Network. And my friend Claire, she bought it and had it sent to me. It's beautiful. Look at that with those three all together. Very Scottish. Very Scottish. Yeah, you're quite right, Claire. The thing is, though, Claire seems to like a lot of the same yarn that I do. She likes a lot of the yarn that I like, and these are absolutely beautiful. It's amazing, it's stunning. So, anyway, it's breathtaking, isn't it? It's such a beautiful gesture. It really is. I'm going to put them down there. So if you can help my channel get up to 200,000 subscribers, then click on the subscribe button. It's totally free to join, to subscribe to the channel. All you need is, it's totally free to subscribe to YouTube, and you can go and you can give thumbs up, you can leave comments if you're signed in, and it's brilliant, it really is. And YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial if you press the bell icon. So until the next happy meal, I am happy. I'm just dumbstruck. Actually, I can't believe it. This is beautiful. It really is. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.